Hello there guys, today we're doing the Bugatti Chiron. We've not worked on this car in a while. We're gonna sand this baby. Let's get to work. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to get a new Bugatti Chiron model because this part here, the grille, is supposed to be black. Now when I first started this, I was new to this, so I tried to get the piece to come out from the inside there. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a new model. So this is an opportunity to get a 1:18 scale model Chiron. Oh yeah.